Hi, I want to invite you for a workshop that I'll be organizing. But before I do that, let me give you some things that I will be giving free in this workshop. I'll be giving 250 MB to a first set of people that will take action to be part of this seminar. I'll also be giving 20% discount if you want to produce a video content like this, which is part of what I will be teaching. I will be giving you a link to access millions of books, ebooks online, and I will also be giving you 20% discount on one-on-one coaching that I do that you can have access to, and also I will be giving you access to mastermind event that I do organize for entrepreneurs. But before I do that, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Okoro Walter Gochukwu by name. I'm an entrepreneur. I love teaching entrepreneurship. I have been teaching entrepreneurship for 6 years or more than that now. So if you want to know more about me, the link for my personal details are in the description below. But let me tell you more about this workshop. It's a one-time workshop that will change your life. If you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, it's a workshop that I want to organize. I want to teach step by step 4 basic things you need to know in internet marketing. If you want to market your business online in this economy, you have to learn these skills. One of them is Facebook. You need to know that you cannot ignore marketing on Facebook. Over 2.01 billion persons are on Facebook. Many Nigerians on Facebook. If you want to market, send marketing tools or marketing materials online, you need to use Facebook. I want to tell you more about Facebook. If you want to send marketing information to any specific person, individual group, any religion, any class of person, you can access them. There are a lot of information you can use to reach millions of people on Facebook. Another thing I will be teaching in this training is video marketing. Video marketing is very important. You cannot neglect it. This is a perfect video marketing. I will be teaching you step by step how you can use video marketing to create sales for your business, reach millions of people online, create product, digital product, video marketing product that people can promote or you can use to sell your product or your services to anywhere, to anybody, anywhere in the world. This is the second part of what we'll be doing in this workshop. The third part is affiliate marketing. You can promote offers owned by others. You can promote different products and different services online that are owned by others, and you can also, your own product can also be promoted. You need to be part of this workshop to learn how to create affiliate products, affiliate programs that people can promote, or the ones you can also promote and make millions of money through doing that. The fourth thing I'll be teaching you on this workshop is WhatsApp marketing. It's a very important marketing tool that you need to learn how to use to promote your services, promote your product. So I'm inviting you over to this workshop. The details are below the description. All you need is take few steps to get your seat booked for this workshop. We have a limited space. The earlier, the better. The first come, first serve. That is what we are using. We are not going to entertain everybody that will apply. It's only few people that will get access to be part of this workshop. We have a limited space. So it's only for the few people that will take this bold step. All you need is subscribe to this channel. Check the WhatsApp link that is in the description below. Use it to get access to register for the workshop. And also, I want you to share this video to your friends, to business owners, anybody you know that could benefit from it. The higher you share it, who are taking the record of it, the more the opportunity we are going to give you in this workshop. So all you need to do is share this video as to many persons that will be interested to attend this workshop. This workshop details, everything are in the description. Just all you need is click the WhatsApp link below and you will get access to be registered for this workshop. Thank you very much. I'm expecting you to do that. As you do that, I will give you the details of